You filming?
Yep.
I'm too far back. Where is it?
Now I just got a shot of his ass. Okay, good. Wow.